Well, hello Chloes, welcome back to my channel. Are you thinking of chopping off your lovely locks for a short hair makeover? Or you are a newbie into short hair game and looking for some fresh advice on how to style them and manage them? तो आप बिल्कुल सही जगह पे हो. As you can already see, I have short hair and I totally adore them, but to be honest, they could be challenging sometimes. Like to style them and to manage them, it is challenging sometimes. So आज की वीडियो में I'm gonna walk you through 4 essential tips that may help you to maybe reconsider whether you really want to go in for a short hair makeover, and if you already have one, then what's the best way to maintain and style it. So let's dive in. When it comes to short hair, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर जितनी तेजी से कटवाए हैं उतनी तेजी से कभी बड़े नहीं होंगे. हेल्दी ह्यूमन हेयर ग्रोज 4 to 5 inches per year, but it's not same for everyone. Like I had a haircut in November and it's May now, so it's roughly 6 months. Or 6 months में I have grown this much of hair, right? So it's approximately 2.5-3 inches. Also, it's different with everyone because when it comes to the growth rate, many factors affect it. Number one is age. If someone is like in their 20s and someone is in their 50s, so who would have the better growth rate, right? The one who is younger, right? Age के साथ साथ your stress levels, your nutrition, your hormones, they all play different role when it comes to the growth rate of your hair. आपकी hair growth का आपको लगभग अंदाजा होगा कि कितने बाल आपके कितने टाइम में बढ़ते हैं, right? तो उस हिसाब से when you are planning of having a short hair makeover, so make your mind that you have to be committed to that style for a while, because वही बात आ गई ना, वो इतनी जल्दी बड़े नहीं होंगे. So if you feel like that कि हाँ मैं committed रह सकती हूँ इस hair style के साथ, then you must go for that. One of the best thing about short hair is that they are versatile. Like you can style them in many different ways, like curly, wavy, straight. जो भी सोच सकते हो, कैसा भी सोच सकते हो, you can just style them. टाइम भी बहुत कम लगता है उन्हें स्टाइल करने में. If you are thinking of curling them, curling takes lesser time than the longer hair, right? Straighten करना है उसमें भी कम टाइम लगता है. Wavy करना है, कुछ भी स्टाइल करना है, it takes like very little time to style them. But the problem is you have to style them very frequently, like every other day, because बहुत कम ऐसे लोग होते हैं जिनका जो हेयर टेक्सचर है वो बहुत फाइन होता है. लाइक या तो वो पूरे स्ट्रेट होंगे या बहुत अच्छे कर्ली होंगे या बहुत अच्छे वेवी होंगे. बहुत कम लोग ऐसे होते हैं. लाइक 95% पीपल आर लाइक कि उनका जो टेक्सचर है हेयर का वो मिक्सड है, ना तो वो पूरा स्ट्रेट है, ना पूरा वो वेवी है, ना पूरा वो कर्ली है, ना वो पूरा स्ट्रेट है, राइट? सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्टाइल देम ऑन लाइक रेगुलर बेसिस. एंड इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड कि हम उन्हें कैसे स्टाइल कर सकते हैं, क्या हेयर स्टाइल बना सकते हैं, आई लिंक सम ऑफ माई वीडियोज, और ऐसी वीडियोज जो मेरे को अच्छी लगी आई लिंक देम इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. आप वहां पे जाके चेकआउट कर सकते हो. सो इफ यू आर नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन जो डेली उठ के स्ट्रेट कर सकता है बालों को, कर्ल कर सकता है, राइट? तो आपको एक बार जरूर सोचना पड़ेगा whether you actually want to go in for that or not. ठीक है? Because it takes time, it takes everything and it takes your heart to style your hair. क्योंकि लंबे बालों की एडवांटेज होती है कि अगर if you are not feeling like straightening them or curling them, right? तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? You can turn them into a beautiful braids. You can either make a beautiful bun out of it, right? But with short hair, you are like bounded with some sort of hairstyle जिसमें वो थोड़े खुले ही रहेंगे, वो पूरे बंधेंगे नहीं. Now, moving on to our next tip, that is washing routine. Short hair tends to show oiliness more quickly as compared to longer hair, and that's because of the higher oil to hair ratio. So you have to wash them like every alternative day. But in order to manage the greasiness, you can always invest in a good clarifying shampoo, because जो clarifying shampoos होते हैं, they are very mild, they are very gentle, and वो excess oil को strip off नहीं करते हैं आपके scalp से. Second thing you can do is make sure you always apply conditioner on the ends, because आप scalp पे अगर conditioner लगाओगे तो वो moisture content को बढ़ा देगा, जिसकी वजह से आपके जो hair हैं वो और भी oily लगेंगे. The other thing you can try is dry shampoos. अब ये dry shampoos क्या होते हैं? They are simply like shampoo but in a dry form. So if you are not feeling like washing your hair today, right, so you can just spray it over your hair. तो वो जो oil है उसको balance out कर देता है, जो आपकी hair है वो greasy नहीं लगते हैं. Lastly, now focus on the importance of regular trims. So regular trims are a necessity to maintain that sharp and polished short hair look, because frequent styling does damage your hair to some extent. Having said that, if you have long hair or short hair, trims are very very important, because in order to maintain healthy hair you have to have trims occasionally. Because अगर आप बहुत लंबे समय तक trimming नहीं करवाते हो तो have you ever observed कि वो split ends आ जाते हैं. Split ends means दो मुँहे बाल बहुत ही frizzy and dull लगते हैं, तो वो अच्छे नहीं लगते हैं, right? और जब बाल दो मुंहे हो जाते हैं, दे स्टॉप ग्रोइंग, तो उनका ग्रोथ रेट भी अफेक्ट होता है। तो इन ऑर्डर टू हैव हेल्दी, शाइनी लुकिंग एंड गुड हेयर, यू मस्ट हैव ट्रिम्स ओकेजनली, सो दैट जो आपकी वो हेयर है, क्वालिटी है, वो मेंटेन रहे। And now congratulations, you have mastered 4 amazing tips from me on maintaining short hair. और अगर आपको वीडियो सच में अच्छी लगी है तो do show your appreciation by subscribing my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.